Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please do not forget to click that subscribe button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. In today's video I am going to do what the hell, one of my lights just went out. Well, like, what the freak. So yeah guys, in today's video I'm going to show you guys another contacts video, color contacts video, and it's gonna be about Minteye. I have other color contacts videos on my channel, so if you guys want to go check that out. This is what the box is gonna look like. It's gonna be a lavender color and it's actually pretty cute. I've seen other boxes, but I don't know if that's their natural box or they changed it. I didn't want to undo the bow, but instructions of how to wear the contacts. They sent me 4 colored contacts, so I'm gonna try on those 4 colored contacts for you today. The contact solution that I always use for my colored contacts is Opti-Free. I got the Opti-Free from Walgreens. Comes with a case. So guys, I thought none of the high contacts didn't come with their cases, but as soon as I opened one of the boxes, it comes with the cases. So I'm like, what the freak? I'm gonna go ahead and try one of them. This is gonna be the natural gray, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So this is the natural gray. In my camera it looks like a light green instead of like, yeah, it looks like more of a light green on my camera, but it's cute though. It's cute, just not my favorite. Okay, the next color contact that I have is the sweet green. I'm actually liking this one better than the gray one. The gray one was too bright for me. Yo, I'm really loving this. Oh my gosh, it looks so freaking natural. I'm gonna put everything down in my description box down below and check out their website, and you guys will get a discount, of course. And it's gonna be Kimi, K-I-M-I. One is the Bloom Blue Gray. It's like 3 colors in there. There's like black, gray, and blue. Yeah, so I'm seeing the gray one more out there than the blue one. So, and this is how it's gonna look on you. It's pretty and not pretty at the same time, but yeah. The final color contacts for you guys is gonna be the Brown Haze Blue. I have dark brown eyes, so I really like this one because it looks so freaking natural. You guys know I always save my best for last. You know, some of my contacts that I used to try on, I used to see blurry with them, and with this one and the DTLI contacts ones, I never see blurry with them and I never really feel them in my eyes. So thank you Minteye and DTL, but thank you Minteye for sending me these beautiful color contacts. So this was pretty much it of the video. If you guys did like the video, do not forget to click that like button down below and the post notification button next to the subscribe button. See you guys next time. Bye.